What we have today? Show me with your tongue. Oh, it's almost out. Can you do the recordings? Sit nicely. We're gonna help Tooth Fairy to come and take your tooth. Look. Oi. Oi. Open, open. Oh, it's so loose. Look. Look how it's loose. We're gonna put small stuff around. Like this. Like this. And opa!
Oh no, I don't think it's
Nothing.
working.
It's not working. But it's a good idea, but it doesn't work, right? Let's see now. Open mouth wider. Yeah, we're gonna help it here.
Want some too, Gary?
Huh?
Want some too? There you go. And there's the other one. Cheers. Have a good day now.
Look now. Open, open mouth. I think it's gonna work. Just needs to go around here. See? And
So
now,
brave.
open,
You're
open,
So brave.
open hard.
Wider.
Yeah, wider.
Go.
We need to put it here. And then work around here.
The drool's coming out now.
Oops! Oh, did you hear?
It was so
Open,
fast.
open mouth.
Tooth Fairy's
Oh,
coming.
see?
It's
The
not
big
even
one is coming
bleeding.
down.
Yeah, it's not even bleeding. That's great.
It's not
Nice.
bleeding. And that's your tooth. Look,
There you go.
look how it's hollow. It's nothing. Look. Good. We
There's
did
no,
it.
No blood? Perfect.
No blood, no nothing. One more time. Nice. Are we gonna keep it?
Yeah.
Look.
So that means the Tooth Fairy gotta come tonight and leave one under your pillow.
Yes.
Look how cute that little tooth is. It's so tiny.
Yeah. And that's your tooth. Are we gonna keep it in the car?
Might lose it here.
We might lose it. There you go.
Good job.
So
Good job.
brave. My
You're so
goodness
great. You're so
gracious.
great. That's your first tooth.
First tooth.